we're out in the fish house looking for a spot to sit, sometimes we need to get a folding chair. Eskimo's got a couple of different options here. This is their three-legged, kind of their tripod. This is their XL folding ice chair right here. This is going to give you a 300-pound weight limit for those of us who are a little bit bigger. This is a great option to be able to do that. Or if you want something that has the armrest and such. Eskimo also has a little bit larger ice fishing chair for those of us who might want to have a little bit more space and such in that and not have that three-legged system. This one also has a weight limit of 300 pounds. So you are going to be able to sit in there and be able to be comfortable. And it'll look pretty good. So let's just do this. You can sit here. Okay, I've got my backpack on, but it's giving me nice support in the back. Now the three-legged one, just going to pull this up. Try to sit here and not. So of course you've got that one, the one pipe that gets in the front, but this one will give you a nice back support also. So probably the chair, if you've got more back issues, the chair might be a little bit nicer. The stool one is certainly possible. I wanted to show you basically the footprint. That's the biggest difference right there, is the amount of space that they're going to take up. They both will handle 300 pounds. They both will be give you the back support that you need, and it's not going to be a flimsy back support, but you've got a little bit more footprint here, a little smaller footprint there, probably a little bit more comfortable here for longer seating or longer sitting than the other. So we'll put links in the description below so you can check these out, but these are two ice fishing chairs here from Eskimo.